taken, just be. Don't take it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny and thank you for coming to watch this video. So today I'm doing a NADULA Hair 4x4 lace closure curly wig. The details on this wig that I got 150 density, 22 inches, and it was $162.03. This is how long it is on me. It's really long, but as y'all see in this video, or as y'all gonna see in this video, the top half is like really short, and then yeah, they layered the wig, bleached the knots, and plucked the lace off camera. So if y'all want to see that process, I have a dedicated video to that on my channel, and that'll be up in the cards. And here comes the tutorial. I hope y'all like it. Okay. Ooh. Skin looking a little weird. Wig on. I used this lace tint and I plucked it a little bit. Like when I say a little bit, like I plucked it a little bit, y'all. Turn my music on because I cannot try to concentrate and do this. All right, lace cut. Ew, this look like a wig. Okay, so I'm gonna take, I'm not prepared, hold up. I'm gonna take my rat tail comb and my got to be glue, and I like to like pour a little bit on the rat tail comb, then go around it like that. So I gotta use this bigger elastic band I got. I don't like using it because it got these little things on them. Can y'all see? It got little lines on them and it put lines on my face. But the smaller one is just too short. Okay, so... Ooh. That hurts so much. I don't see. I don't... Okay, y'all. So... I haven't did my baby hairs yet. I want to hit it with a hot comb first, and then I'm gonna spray it with some water because it's really big. Like, this is a lot of hair. I'm here for it. This is the wax stick that I use in all of my install videos. It'll be in the description box. Alright, I think that's all I want to do. Just hit it a little bit with the hot comb. Now, should I do my baby hairs first? Or the one thing I don't like about this wig is it's short at the top and then it's really long at the bottom. Like, look at that. It's like a noticeable height difference. And I know when I wet it, it'll blend, but that's so ugly. So, should I do my baby hairs now? I don't think I want to do my baby hairs now. This is a lot of hair, y'all. Okay, y'all, so as y'all saw, I used a dime, a dime size of this on every section with my spray bottle. Hold up. Okay, a dime size of that on my spray bottle, and then I put this on there. Whew. This is how it's looking, but let me do my baby hairs. It's really big hair. Like, I didn't expect the hair to be this big, but I like it, so let's try to do these baby hairs. Keyword try, because if you watch my hair videos, you know I suck at baby hairs. I really do. So I'm gonna speed it up, like I'm gonna speed it up because I really do suck at baby hairs. Okay, y'all, this is the final look. So I definitely wetted a lot more and put a lot of more foam in it because I wanted it to blend, because as y'all saw when I first put it on, the top half was like really big, and then yeah, it's two different lengths for some reason. But okay, y'all, this is the final look. I wanted to do my outro. Hold up. I wanted to do my outro over here because I don't know, my lighting is just better over here. Like, I don't know. I already filmed my intro, so I might as well refilm my intro over here too because this lighting is cute. But thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and subscribe to my channel, sis. Especially if you made it this far. If you watched this whole video, subscribe to my channel.